Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to simplify an expression like this. So all you have to remember is that you have to, in another video of mine I explained how to use, how to simplify such expression. In a case like this, you first need to start with parentheses. So you need to go with the innermost symbol. In this case, it's parentheses. So I have to do what's inside here. Okay, first, and from here, I'll go outward. Now, from here, what you have here, you have to see it's actually a multiplication. Okay, so what I'll do first, I'll do multiplication first right here. I have multiplication and subtraction, so you do multiplication first. So I know here I'm gonna have 5 times 5, which is 25, and I'll write everything else after. Okay, just like this. All right, so you're gonna take care of everything else after. Okay, now from here, remember I still need to take care of what's inside here. That's 25 minus 20, which is 5. Okay, so I still have, so 5 parentheses here, still have 8 here, minus 39 here, and close bracket here, open bracket here, and 4 outside here, plus 3. Okay, so remembering everything right here, and we keep moving. Now I have bracket, but this is a multiplication here. I have to do it first. So 8 times 5, which is 40. So now I have 40 minus 39, and remember the bracket, and 4 and 3. Okay, and we keep going from there. The bracket next, 40 minus 39 is 1, and 4 plus 3. Then what do I have here? Multiplication, addition. I do multiplication first. 4 times 1 is 4, okay, plus 3, and this is nothing but 7. Okay, so this is how you simplify an expression like this. Okay, we're gonna try another one. Let's try another one, which is let's see this one here. Let's try to simplify this one. It's 2 over 3 cubed. So I have 2 over 3 cubed, and plus 1 over 9, plus 1 over 9, plus 1 over 3, plus 1 over 3, times 4 over 3, times 4 over 3, okay? So for here, you're gonna do the same thing right here, but again, you have a grouping symbol here, parenthesis, something cubed, so you have exponents. You gotta start here, okay? So 2/3 cubed, that means you're gonna have to multiply 2 by itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 times 3 times 3, 27, okay? Plus 1 over 9, plus 1 over 3, times 4 over 3. Next, I have addition and multiplication. Gotta do multiplication first. So it's 1 over 3 times 4 over 3. How do you multiply? You multiply across. So it's 1 times 4, which is 4, and 3 times 3, which is 9. Then I have plus the 1 over 9 here, plus 8 over 27, okay? And if you want, you can start by, because you only have addition here, you can start on the left here, or you can just combine these two for now. It doesn't matter because you only have addition, okay? So since everything is addition right here, you can just get the LCD, in which case that would be 27 because 9 goes into 27. So let me show you this right here. So if I need to get, so since the LCD, let me put it here, is 27. Again, I explained how to add or subtract fractions with different denominators in another video of mine, so you can check that out. So you can try to make sure you make all these look like this. So you need 27. All right. Therefore, you can just multiply by, 3 here. And therefore the top by 3. This by 3 as well. And therefore the top by 3. Because you have to get 27. Then this will become 27. Stays as 27. 8 over 27. Plus this one will be 3 now. Because 1 times 3 is 3. Over 27. Plus 4 times 3, 12. Over 27. As you can see here, now they have the same denominator. And once you have the same denominator, you can just combine the top and you'll be fine. So on the bottom, you keep the denominator, which is 27. You keep it. Okay. Then the top part, you just add. So it's 8. Let me put it down here so I don't confuse nobody here. 27. And on the top, it's just 8 plus 3 plus 12. Okay. Then what's 8 plus 3 plus 12? That's 23, right? This is 23 over the denominator, which is 27. Okay, so 23 over 27. This is your answer. So this is how you simplify something like this. Okay, but again, I just multiplied fractions and added fractions. One thing you have to know here, right here, what I did is I multiplied 2/3 by itself 3 times. And so that's why I got 8 over 27. Okay, remember that. Also, when multiplied, when multiplying, what you do, you just multiply across. Okay, so remember that. And to add or subtract fractions, like from here, to add or subtract fractions, you must make sure they have the same denominator, which we call LCD. As in this case here, the LCD was 27. So please make sure you go back to one of my videos in which I explain how to find LCDs, okay? And how to add and subtract fractions, okay? So this is how you simplify an expression, okay? In which case you have fractions here, or in the previous one, you just had some integers, okay? In this case, you have fractions, okay? All right, thank you.